Hello, welcome to the Student Glass Module User Guide. In this video, we'll show you how to use your module from setup to using different tank types. Let's get started. In your box will be one travel case, one Student Glass module, one carb cap, and depending on your selection, you will have either one dry material tank or one concentrate tank, one charging cable, one loading tool, which can be attached to the carb cap. First, let's register your device with the serial number. Serial number is located here. Now fully charge your device using the provided cable. You can find the charging port on the side. When the circle is completely green, your module is fully charged and ready to go. The module is compatible with any Student Glass or compact. To attach, remove the magnetic elbow from your unit and attach the module. You will feel the magnetic pull help slide it into place. To power on, press and hold the dial button for 3 seconds. Once it's on, you can spin the dial to select different functions. The selected tab will be highlighted and you can choose from the following options: heating activation, session timer, temperature control, and settings menu. First, we have the heating option. Select this to begin heating, but remember, once a session is started, the settings are locked. To cancel a session, simply click the dial again. Next is the session timer. To adjust the session time, spin the dial to select the desired time and press the dial to confirm. The concentrate tank can be activated for a maximum session of 1 minute, while the dry material tank can be activated for a maximum of 30 seconds. For temperature adjustments, choose the temperature control. Spin the dial to select your desired temperature and press the dial to confirm. Once temperature is hit and timer starts, your session has begun. For the dry material tank, no temperature selection is required. If you want to access the settings menu, select the settings option. To return to the home screen, select home or just wait and it will return home on its own. In the settings menu, you can also adjust settings such as temperature unit, Fahrenheit to Celsius, brightness, color, and lock the device. If you choose to lock your device, you will need to select the lock option and turn off the device. The device will be locked on the next power on. To unlock, hold the dial in until the circle is filled, then hold it in again for 3 seconds to power on. We offer 2 tank types, concentrate and dry material. Your module will automatically recognize the tank type, but it's essential to ensure the threading on the tank and the adapter is clean. Also, ensure the bottom of the adapter and the inside of the device, where the tank connects, are clean for a proper connection. For concentrate, you have a full quartz chamber with a custom stamped stainless steel heating element. Temperature settings range from 392 degrees Fahrenheit to 932 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 degrees Celsius to 400 degrees Celsius, with a heat up time between 15 to 45 seconds. Remember to clean the quartz chamber with a cotton swab after each session. You can use isopropyl alcohol for thorough cleaning. The dry material tank is also a full quartz chamber with a custom stamped stainless steel heating element. It offers up to 80 watts of power, and the heat up time is 15 to 45 seconds. There's no exposed coil. 1 heating cycle should be enough to get your chamber going. You can keep flipping the Student Glass to continue your session without reactivating your module. Once the smoke clears, check the chamber. If it's not completely finished, activate another session. After each session, the module can be removed from the Student Glass to clean the tank. Empty the chamber into an ashtray or bin using the included loading pick tool. If you encounter an error, the screen will display a red circle with an exclamation mark. Please check tank connections and try again. The tank icon should be visible on the home screen. If it's not, there's a connection issue. Your module comes with a 6000 mAh lithium battery. It's important to use the provided cable for charging. When your module indicates it needs to charge, simply plug it in. Charging will take about 2 hours and you can expect up to 50 sessions per charge. It is highly recommended to swap out your tank after every use. Once your session is complete, Wait for the tank cap and tank to cool down. Remove the cap and swab the entire bottom plate and the walls of the quartz chamber with a cotton swab. It's not unusual to need a couple of these to clean the entire surface of the quartz chamber. After longer and more intensive sessions, it's common for residual concentrate or material to leak into the airflow holes of the quartz tank and down into the module. To mitigate this, separate the tank and magnetic adapter ring for cleaning. Ensure to clean the connection point on the unit as well. For a deeper clean on the concentrate tank, set the module to the highest temperature for a full session. Once the session completes, wait a few minutes for the tank cap and quartz tank to fully cool down. Carefully remove the tank cap. Use a cotton swab with ISOL to wipe the underside ceramic liner of the tank cap. Then remove the tank from the housing by simply pulling it out. Once it's fully removed, use the cotton swab doused in ISOL to wipe the entire surface of the quartz chamber. Be sure to get the bottom of the tank around the threadings and airflow hole, as well as the magnetic adapter. Next, you will want to clean the housing. After the tank is removed, clean the connection point on the module. Use a cotton swab doused in ISOL to wipe down the connection points to clean this area. You can also clean the air path under the connection point. Once completed, set all components aside to dry completely. After all components are dry and put together again, go ahead and activate another session to burn off any residual ISOL. For cleaning and maintenance on the dry material tank, follow the same steps as the concentrate tank, except there's no need for an initial burn-off. Wipe down the tank with a cotton swab and a small amount of ISOL. Be careful to not get alcohol into the airflow holes in the chamber. Minimize this by holding the tank upside down while you clean. Follow these simple cleaning and maintenance tips to keep your student glass module in peak condition for countless sessions. Congratulations! Now you know how to use your module, understand the different tank types, maintenance, and troubleshooting. If you have any further questions, please consult the user manual or contact our customer support.